Happy 4th of July. Today we are making a red, white, and blue cocktail to celebrate the 4th, and it is absolutely delicious. My name is Aliana, and welcome to my kitchen, and also my garden. So to start our drink, we need our red layer because this is going red, white, and blue. So to make our strawberry simple syrup, that is our red layer, all you need is some fresh strawberries, about 10 to 15 fresh strawberries, and you can add that into your blender and blend it until it's totally smooth. And I like to sift it so there's no seeds in my simple syrup. And to that, I add half a cup of just granulated sugar. I let that cook for about a few minutes until the sugar has completely dissolved, and then I take it off the heat and I just transferred it to a jar and put this in the fridge so that it is now cool, because you don't want to put this in your drink hot. And now for our second layer of our drink is our lemonade. Of course, you can just buy store-bought lemonade, but it's so easy to make at home, and I personally love having some lemonade in my fridge when I want it. So to make our lemonade, I just have 2.5 cups of water. Next, I have some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I have half a cup of my lemon juice going in. Can't have lemonade without your lemons. And I also have a 1/4 cup of just granulated sugar to add a little bit of sweetness to our lemonade. There we go. And now I'm just going to stir this for a minute or two until the sugar is completely dissolved. So I can set this off to the side and we can grab our glass. And the first thing that I'm going to add to my glass is our red layer, our strawberry simple syrup. And so I'm going to use 1 ounce of my simple syrup. For our cocktail, you do want to use crushed ice because this keeps the layers more distinctive. And for our lemonade, I'm going to use 3 ounces of my lemonade. And here I have just a glass off to the side because before I put my alcohol in, I want to stir it together because this is our blue layer. So to make it blue, I have some blue curaceau, and I'm going to use 1 ounce of my blue curaceau. Go. Along with 1 ounce of vodka. If you want to add 2 ounces and make it boozier, you can. It's really just up to you. Here. And now I'm just going to give this a quick little stir before I add it in to my cocktail. And now we can slowly pour this on top. Oh my goodness. There we go. Is that not so beautiful? So I'm going to, for my first sip, try to draw my straw upwards so that I can taste all the flavors in each of their layers, but I'm already starting to mess it up, so it's okay. It's meant to be enjoyed. That is so tasty. The strawberry really adds a nice level of sweetness, and then you get a little boozy kick from the vodka and blue curaçao, and a good fresh lemonade never hurts. And if you'd like to see some more of my 4th of July recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a safe and fun 4th of July weekend. Cheers!